In this video, I will teach you how to get the NODEMAVEN Proxy free trial, walk you through the NODEMAVEN setup tutorial, show you how to buy a NODEMAVEN Proxy package, and even how you can get 2 GB of extra bonus data by applying my NODEMAVEN promo code. So, don't miss any part of this video. NODEMAVEN is a very powerful, clean, and high-quality proxy service that works everywhere. To receive a discount, I'll provide a discount link in the description. Just click on it to head to the site. Once you're there, click on Start Your Free Trial. Then you'll need to register your account. After registration, you'll land on the NODEMAVEN dashboard. Here, you can start your free trial and get 500 MB of residential proxies with access to all features for €3.99. By using the free trial, you can verify how this proxy works for you. But remember, the promo code is not applicable during the free trial. It's only eligible when you buy a package. Once you've chosen the package, you can apply the promo code and get an additional 2 GB as a bonus. So, pick any package that suits your needs. After selecting your proxy package, you'll proceed to payment. This is where you need to apply the promo code to receive the bonus. There are multiple payment options available, so choose whichever is convenient for you. Now, if you're getting something valuable, you can appreciate us liking the video. Now, let me show you how to set up your proxy after completing the payment. Just click on Set Up Proxy, and you'll be guided to the proxy setup system. Here, you need to select the location, choose which country you want to target. You can even target a specific region or leave it as random. Then, choose your session type, sticky or rotating. Next, when you arrive at the proxy access protocol, you can select HTTPS or SOC AS5 based on your requirements. And that's it! You've now completed the setup for NODEMAVEN Proxy. I assume you're already familiar with how to use proxies. If you still have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll respond within 2 hours.